Hi guys, I realize I've never made a video about the scanner. So on ArcoLinux by default we have something to scan and print, and the document scanner is the application we have. If you want to know again what the package name again, you go and search for it. So scan, probably gonna be hit. I have this as a scanner, scan gear MP, one of those versions, 7000 something, and I should find some kind of application. It's not here, so it's not called scan. Let's have a scanner, a simple scan. So make a digital copy of your photos and documents. That's the application we're running. So the one you're seeing here, just type scan, document scanner, and probably we could have found it with help or about or something. And that's the one. And then you press the button and it's going to search for scanners. And in my case, I can click two choices here. No, not Logitech. And now we need to figure it out. So scan, I guess. My paper is already upstairs. It's a LAN printer, so doesn't need to be hooked up to my system with USB. We'll see what this is. Single page, all pages from feeder, image. Would rather have a PDF if possible as end result. Okay, I'm getting something in here. I guess I need to click here. This one is scan document PDF, so that's gold. I want to have a PDF. Email it, print it, reorder pages, preferences. Those were the preferences I just saw. And the keyboard shortcuts, maybe scan a simple page, show help, start new document. Okay. Now the question is it working? Because it's still loading. I could walk upstairs and have a look if the thing is scanning or not. There it is. So that's my document that I need to scan, you know, official deals, official things, and signing and all that. So that's done, and then save as. It's with Texas, so Texas PDF, bomb. There you go, and I have myself a document on my system. Did I save it here? I did. So that's fine. So just a quick tutorial. If things do not work your way, it's probably going to be drivers. So the AOR is filled with a lot of drivers. But basically what I did is buy a printer that's supported by Linux. Yes. So next time around, first check what works and what doesn't, and then buy. All right, cheers.